Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're back with another video. I just fixed my, did something to my room. You wanna see? Hit first, like the video, cause I'm playing Fortnite right now. And matter of fact, you could add me too if you want. You don't have to, your choice. And like, subscribe. You can't comment, so I don't know what's wrong with that. But you ready? Here is my my new bedroom. I fixed it a little bit. That still needs to get fixed. It keeps on falling, cause these things up here, if you could see it, the pin can like. So I'm playing Fortnite right now. I'm gonna play next. Joy, you want me to make you play?
I'm gonna.
Joy, you want me to make you play on YouTube? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. If this video hits 1 like, only 1, cause I don't care. I don't even get 2. So 1 like, and I'll make my little brother play. You don't even have to. It could be 0 likes. I don't even care. I might still make him play for a YouTube video. Should I make a next video? Okay. So the second I post this, I'm gonna just make a next one. So just my carpet. This is my thing. So this is my bed. That was my big brother's bed, but he's not here. But my little brother is. So what I want? Okay, so hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, subscribe and like. And see you all next time. Peace.